Hi, I'm Peter Brett from TOOLKiT magazine, and today we're going to be looking at the ProMitre angle tool from Tracer. Interesting things, because they've been around a bit, been around a while. You've been able to buy various versions, but this one is specifically made to go alongside the ProMitre marking set, which is, you know, felt tips, ad pencils, etc. Right, so you can see I've been practicing a bit on this with getting angles, with marking right angles and mitre angles, and of course there's also dovetails that you can mark. Two different sizes of dovetails, one for hardwood, one for softwood. An interesting one, this one, because it's got an arc, and then you've got a 45-degree angle and so on, and then what you do is you just mark it, and then if you want to extend it you can move that along and extend it. Took me a little while to work this out, but it's an interesting idea, because I'm quite used to doing this kind of business where, you know, you use your finger and your pencil to make a mark. It's not always very accurate, but with this tool it can be accurate. So over here, if I've got to get my glasses to read this on the black, I've got, say I want to make a line 20 millimeters away from the edge. So I go to 20, put my pencil in, and I can make a line along there. Oh, but say I wanted one at 25. Well, I go down the hill a bit to 25, and I make it 25. So there, I've got one line at 20, one line at 25. And because they're done accurately on the ProMitre tool, they'll come out accurately on the edges as well. Right, an interesting piece of kit, really, as I say, made practical by using the marker kits provided by Tracer. The other thing that will happen that you can use this for is, as you can see, this is a rounded edge. But with this, you can mark on rounded edges quite easily and relatively accurately. So, for example, even on this pipe, say if I were a plumber or something like that, hoik out the felt tip and able to mark out roughly if I want to, you know, for cutting with my hacksaw or whatever. So I'm sure it's a tool that's not going to break the bank, but it could be potentially very useful, and it's very light, practical, to stick inside your toolkit, and it won't take a lot to carry.